Hi kids! Today we're gonna learn the letter sounds. So let's go! A apple. B ball. C cookies. D daddy. E elbow. F fire. G garage. H happy. I N. J juice. K kangaroo. L look. M mommy. N no. O office. P police. Q quiet. R rain. S stop. T ticket. U up. V voice. W water. X X-ray. Y yes. Z zero.
Do you know that in English we have small and big letters? So the big letters are called capital letters. However, the small ones are called lowercase letters. So it's time to say goodbye. If you really like the video, just subscribe and share it with your friends. See you next time. Ciao ciao.